Hey there! Ready to whip up some cheesy, golden goodness straight from the heart of Hijaz. Let's make some irresistible Al-Jabniyah. First up, ingredients time. Grab 2 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, because hello sweetness. 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Yep, yogurt. And half a cup of water. Oh, and don't forget the star of the show, half a cup of soft cheese like cream cheese or Akkawi. Cheesy dreams are coming true. Now let's get mixing. Toss all those dry ingredients in a bowl, give them a swirl, then slowly add the yogurt and water. Mix it up until you've got yourself a soft dough, smooth, like the perfect cozy blanket for that cheesy filling we're about to make. Next, roll out that dough. Sprinkle some flour on your surface and roll it out nice and thin. We're aiming for about a 1/4 inch thick. Think thin, but not paper thin. Then cut out some cute little circles. These will be our cheesy pockets of joy. Time for the cheesy magic. Plop a spoonful of your favorite soft cheese right in the center of each dough circle. Don't be shy. The more cheese, the better. Now fold them over into perfect little crescents and seal the edges like you're locking in a cheesy secret. Now comes the sizzle. Heat up some oil in a deep pan. We're frying these beauties to crispy perfection. Drop in the crescents and watch them turn golden brown like little pillows of happiness. Flip them over to get that crispy goodness on both sides. The finishing touch syrup time. Once they're fried to a crispy golden heaven, dunk them into some sweet syrup. Yep, we're talking sugar syrup or honey, whatever floats your sweet boat. Let them soak in all that sticky goodness. And voila, your cheesy, crispy, syrup-drenched Al-Jabniyah is ready to devour. Get ready for the best bite of your life. Crunchy, cheesy, and oh so sweet. You've earned it, chef.